to switch gears. Use your hands to make elephant ears. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle your